Alright guys, you got the Q-Cat. This is a response video to Vlad. Wanted to show him what's going on with this 24 volt system. As you can see, I have two batteries hooked in series. You have your negative to your positive back there, okay, and then your positive and your negative, okay. It's a side terminal battery. Then I have those running up to the charge controller. Now, as you can see, the stupid thing is blinking, okay. Now when you go down to the voltmeter, see we got 24.7, which actually stays true to the 24 volt inverter, okay. So what the issue is I'm still running it the way that it came out the box, which is meant for that charge controller, which is 12 volts, okay. So effectively we have to get 24 volts there, okay. Now this is a Renogy. No information on this particular charge controller. It's really weird, but you see it's blinking and it says it's either not charging or a short circuit. I guess after we get the panels wired up for 24 volts, we'll be able to figure it out. But from what I understand, running at the 24 volts is going to require you to run it like the battery. You're going to run your negative into your positive, and it's going to leave one terminal open on like one panel is going to be a positive, the other panel is going to be a negative. So then you're going to have to combine that into the wiring that comes down into the charge controller. So, but yeah, this is the setup at the moment. Hopefully we get the blinking taken care of, but it's a response to Vlad. I wanted to see exactly what I had going on here. All right, you got the Q-Cat.